A-Level Maths Christmas Revision, Day 7. So let's have a go then at Day 7 here, which features a question on the normal distribution. So moving on to the applied part of the course now, and as always here, what I'd recommend is that you pause the video, have a quick look at the question before we reveal the solution. So let's take a look then at the solution together here. So the expectation for questions like this here is that we simply use our calculator. We simply use our calculator here to evaluate these probabilities. So the first thing that we do is we go into stats mode on our calculator. We then press distribution, so that's D-I-S-T here. So that stands for distribution. We then obviously want the normal distribution, right? Because our random variable here is normally distributed. So normal, and then NCD here. Okay. It then asks for a few different things. So the first thing it asks for is the data type, which in this case here is a variable. It then asks for the lower and upper, which I'll come back to in a moment. It also asks for sigma and mu. So sigma then, that is the standard deviation. So be careful, that's not 6 here, because 6 here represents the variance. So we take the square root of 6 here. Okay. Mu is clearly 50. Okay, so input 50 there. And now for the lower and upper value, that depends on the context of the question or the probability that we're looking to find. So for part A then, because we want the probability that x is strictly greater than 48, what I do here is I put 48 as my lower value. For the upper then we pick an arbitrarily large value. I just put a load of 9s in. So I put a load of 9s in like so. Press enter. And what this gives me here then, if I round this to 3 significant figures, is 0.793. Okay, hopefully nice and straightforward there. For the second one then, part B here, nice and straightforward. Your lower value is this lower bound here of 49. So I put 49 in. My upper bound then, my upper value is 52. So I put 52 for the upper. Press enter. And what I get here is 0.45123 significant figures. And then finally here for part C, just be careful now, because it's looking for the probability that x is equal to 51. Well, the normal distribution is a continuous distribution. In this case here, the probability that x equals 51 is simply 0. Okay, so that gives us the solution here to day 7. And if you're looking for even more A-level maths revision, be sure to visit our website over at ajmaths.co.uk.